Hey guys!
Hey!
We are here at I have to keep reading it, Harral Park.
Harral Nature Park. This is a pretty interesting place. It's got a lot of rich history before it was a nature park.
Yep.
And now there's some creepy stories and rumors that are going on down here. We've had some personal experiences. I have, my husband has, her mother has. We've got a lot of people. It's a well-kept secret here,
Yeah,
I think. So
yeah, it's very, very pretty, but definitely something's here. So be on the lookout because we may find some ghosties.
in the meantime, stay spooky.
And caffeinated. We're already lost.
I know. Man, we're gonna go work. I don't know.
What?
Did you see something?
No, I heard something. Okay, I'm like really drawn to over here. No, do you feel that?
Yes. Very much.
Ooh, okay.
Oh.
All right.
I feel like my body doesn't want me to move farther. Like, I feel like I'm like, no, not like stuck in tar like the Hex House, but
Like you feel like we shouldn't go down here?
my body's like, stop. Let's ignore my body and go.
All right. Does that say honeysuckle too? Poison ivy, oh. What is this? What?
I thought I heard my footsteps.
You heard footsteps? Oh man, I'm too short. Oh, there's some rocks for me to stand on. Oh, what? We found some really weird writings. I climbed up this thing. Amber's standing on a rock, but it's pretty. It took me, what, 4 tries to get up here?
4 or 5.
But it's really cool. So there's like this like metal ring. There's like a cool thing down there. I'm not going down there because there's probably raccoons down there. Some cool graffiti. I wonder what this is though.
That's to keep away the evil eye and bring good luck. So that's the more common you'll see in like Wiccan religions and stuff, is eye of Horus.
Okay.
That's like a lighter side of
Okay.
So it could be either. It could be a protection symbol.
Alright. It's in the mud. It's fine. It's lime. See that little belt? Okay. Okay. Is there anything here? If there's anything here, please speak to us. If there's anything here, please speak to us.
Alright guys, we're here in Harral Nature Park. We found this area that was really interesting, and it sounds like Emmy may be picking up something on the ghost box, but I will show you her direction to see what we can see.
Alright, I'm near this rock that has the eye on it. Is there anyone here in this part? What was that? What was that? Were there sacrifices here? Were there a little what?
Someone jumped in her mouth.
Oh, sucks.
Oh,
Sucks to be the kid. It looks like it used to be like a bat holder, like a bat house holder.
oh.
Put it back!
Put it back, save the bat.
Put it back, save the bat.
See if I can find the bridge that Bill and I had our first kiss on.
Is this bamboo? No, that's not bamboo. Is it?
Is it?
Is it? I know. Is it? Oh my god! I think it's bamboo.
Wait, I think this might be my first kiss bridge.
Oh, ew. Is this it,
Oh,
real?
no.
Oh, this looks like sewage.
Okay, it did not. Like 9 years ago. Yeah, this is it though. 9 years ago it didn't. This is it.
Her first kiss.
Okay, I have my first date out here at night. Okay, so we got off. I worked at Blockbuster. Got off at midnight. Went to IHOP. Had ice cream. Didn't eat it because we were nervous. And then he took me out in the middle of the woods at 1, 2 in the morning, and I hardly knew him. Like, I could have got murdered.
And you married him.
And I married him. So it worked out. I didn't die, but I could definitely have gotten murdered in the woods here at 1 a.m.
This was where you decided, you know what, it's good with the swampy ass water. A good old, big old smooch.
Okay, 9 years ago, it was not this swampy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Plus it was night and I couldn't see, so just like the rippling water sounded cute, but...
You're like, it's a bridge. I'm like, bitch, this is a road with some like creek next to it.
I thought this was a bridge.
That's where you envisioned yourself, like when you got married.
Yeah.
You were like, oh,
it was on a beautiful bridge with running spring water.
And there was like rose petals just falling from the sky.
Yep.
Perfect. That's exactly how you should remember it. What is this? I think this is part of a train. Found it.
Oh, good.
Yep, that's the bridge. Oh yeah, no, it's held by, oh no. It's held by the, oh no. What's the weight capacity? Yo. Ooh. This is the other side though, so we're already at the entrance. Excuse me, squirrel? Straight up a nut.
Straight up a nut.
Straight up a nut. Oh.
No, don't.
Don't what?
Don't bounce. Here, wait, we should get a picture on the bridge. Those are cute.
So far, I'm not really still feeling anything.
Maybe it's just at night.
Nobody step on the frog.
Oh,
Emmy loves.
Hello! Don't step on him. So hey guys, we're back at the...
Harral Nature Park.
That's right. We're back here. We brought our husbands with us because we're weenies.
They're gonna guide it. We're gonna get lost if they weren't here.
Exactly.
We got lost in the day.
We did get lost in the day. So we are here. Hopefully we can find some spooky things.
If you go straight down from there, though, you can see the spring houses, but there's not really like a trail. That's off trail. So it's like.
So if you walk this way, so that's what this path is for. All right, we gotta crouch, guys. Oh. You good, Bill?
Cobweb.
Oh, you got
Cobweb, I mean regular spider web that I don't want to think about.
It's a cobweb. It's the outdoor cobweb. Why don't you use one of your 5 flashlights you brought?
Yeah.
Okay.
All I need to shine on is right here.
Whoa.
So the spring house is one outish that direction, and there's one over here past this wall of stuff. That one's like across where there used to be a pond, so there would actually probably be water between us and it. This one you actually have to kind of hike to get to. It's somewhere.
Let's go to the easy one then.
Yeah, I don't think we should hike tonight.
I mean, that one's across the water, so we have to go around. Is there water? But you can see it.
Well, you should have said that in the beginning before we walked all over here, Bill.
He did.
Oh. You should have made sure I was paying attention, Bill. Wow, they just left us. They just straight up left us.
A little bit. Yeah, it looks like a little bit over here.
What was that?
I don't know, I heard it too.
Yeah, I just saw some like glowing eyes over there. I'm not walking over there.
Every nocturnal animal's eyes.
Shut up, Bill. Bill.
It's probably just like a cat. Or a mountain lion.
Oh my god. Okay. Why am I guiding?
I don't know.
Bill, get your ass up here. Tour guide, get your ass up here. I just looked and was like, oh hell no, I don't know.
Wait, we wouldn't run that way.
What?
What? Are you sure?
Are you sure, Bill?
We didn't step over anything like that.
I think we did.
I thought we stepped through that.
We stepped through that, Bill.
This is the way.
Because that's the water. And we came towards the water.
Wait, did we?
I don't think so. I'm hitting
No,
fire.
there's a giant branch. We didn't go by that.
Oh great, we are.
You're right. We're gonna get lost if they weren't here. Exactly.
Oh, okay. Jesus.
Wow, Belle. Don't even know it.
James, why would you say that? Why would you even mention it?
No bears. There's
No.
only one.
Did you say bears or stairs?
Stairs.
He said stairs, Bill.
Oh, you're talking about bears.
Yeah. Okay. All right, that was great. Let's go home.
You learned a lot there.
Why are you going that way, Bill?
Somewhere right over here there is an ice hatch.
A what?
The hatch, we can pick it up and there's like the underground pipe.
Oh, I'm good. That's something you find in the middle, like during the day. Yeah. So yeah, I climbed this.
Oh, let's look this way. Did you climb these in this rock?
Yep.
Yeah, she got Mr. Rock and got it.
Is there anyone here?
Okay. Some of the thickest areas here.
Yeah, we want to go to the exterior area for either your helmet.
Do we want to go this way?
Yeah, we're fine. Go
Okay.
forward.
We're going to the other possible sacrificial area.
Is there anything here?
Was that you down there? I thought I heard you say don't. Was that you? A very uneasy feeling.
Me too.
Why are you here? Why are you here?
If you're gonna play tricks on us, we're leaving.
Yeah, are you just playing tricks?
I heard that snicker.
Alright, we're gonna go. We don't have time for this.
Thanks for nothing. Alright, we're on Suspension Bridge. In the middle of it. Just Amber and I.
What do you want? What do you want?
Come on, speak to us. What was that?
Was that you?
Let's go. Okay. Hold on.
Hold off. Feel good. Are we going back to the tanker or is that way?
Alright, we're recording. We're over by the tanker train-like thing. And we're gonna see what we get.
Do you remember us from yesterday? Give me $2. Do you remember us from yesterday? We came by here.
Tell us your name. Was this an old...
What was that? David? Did I hear David?
Is your name David?
What happened here, David? Dead.
We're back at the pump house.
We realized we forgot to do Boo Buddy, so we're back. If anyone's here and you want to contact us, we said earlier that this was going to be the last time, but we mean now is the last time.
Yes, we're leaving after this.
Like, leaving for good. So, are you here?
Just touch the bear if you're here.
Do you know what happened to you?
Please give us a sign.
Make a sound or touch the bear. Or say something in this voice recorder. Do you want to try and do spirit box again, or do you just want to...
We can try one more time if you want. For a second, and then we can peace out.
Is there anyone here? What was that? Do you want us to leave?
Who are you?
Do you want us to leave?
Or wait, I don't know.
What do you want us to wait for?